good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
A little difficult or different way to enter a Mercedes Benz.
Yep. Most of them don't have roll cages, right?
Tell us about it, please.
So this is a 1970 300 SEL 6.3 that has been extensively modified, to say the least.
I can see that.
By our colleagues in Germany, and we have it here in the U.S. at Pebble Beach for some experiences. And so this car was built a few years ago, mainly as a ring taxi for like Nürburgring, Hockenheim, and different tracks. And it's a lot of fun. It was kind of done as an illustration of what can be done with one of these cars. So big V8s, bored out to 6.7 liters. And so we'll take it out. But
also this car has a lot of history, right? I mean,
well, the original one was the Red Pig, as everybody knows, was the first AMG car. And so this kind of piggybacks off of that car. But we've made some improvements from modernization. The brakes are a little bit more hardy racing brakes, and a little bit different. The fuel injection has been taken off and we put carburetors on it, so it makes it a little bit easier to
still some
drive.
Luxury.
Yeah, exactly. We've got wood. We got wood on the dash. And,
and leather.
Yep, and a little bit of leather. So we'll fire it up here, and
I bet it's loud.
Yeah, very. 6-speed. Yeah, that was one of the improvements that we made, was putting the 6-speed in. Open exhaust power, yeah. Making about 450 horsepower. About 450 horsepower, a lot of torque, and that sound is definitely the most impressive part.
Yeah, without any insulation or anything, makes it even more dramatic.
Fantastic chassis.
Yeah.
You know, being a big four-door sedan and very stiff.
And 40 years old. Well, yeah, it's this is a true replica based on a car from 40 years ago.
Yep. So this was a standard car originally that was found in Connecticut.
Oh, okay.
And then it was a U.S. car, and then modified into this specification. Okay. The original Red Pig was destroyed back in the 1970s.
Was still destroyed because Constantine was telling me that nobody really knows what happened to it.
Nope. It just disappeared. Yeah. Now with the brakes, they're not power assisted, so you really got to push hard on them.
Oh, okay.
And they like a little heat. These cars had air suspension system.
Okay.
But that was removed to remove a lot of the weight.
The original AMG or the original 300 SEL?
The original 300 SEL had air suspension.
What's the other one that is called the Hammer?
The Hammer came later, and that was a car produced by AMG before we bought the company. And those typically were the 124 series cars from the 1980s. And those were spectacularly fast cars for their day. They even made a few station wagons with the Hammer setup.
And those, there are originals of those, right?
There's a few out there, yeah. Here we'll switch sides and let you take over.
And we're going basically back or what?
No, we'll go this way and we'll do a little side trip. Good to go.
Thank you very much.
Hope you had a good time. Next year.
Thank you.
Yep.